Hey guys, welcome to the hashtag Coder YouTube channel. Today we are going to see that how to remove WordPress new editor and add a WordPress previous editor which was the WordPress default editor. So that if I am going to add a new page, the WordPress has changed its editor to new editor. This editor is quite hard to use, but if you want a previous editor, then we have to add a plugin. So I'm going to add a new plugin. I will search here a classic editor. When I install it, When I install it, it will return WordPress previous editor. So this is the plugin. Now I will click on install. Okay, it is installed. Now activate it. So it is activated. Now I am going to add new page. If I add new page, you can see here the previous editor is come. This is the WordPress previous editor.